Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to enable the dark mode on Instagram applications. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to your Instagram application in your mobile phone. In Instagram, click the profile picture on the right side below. So okay, click the profile picture, and profile, click the three line on the upper right side on your screen, and go to setting below. Click the settings. So okay guys, in settings, click the theme. Okay, now you can turn on the dark mode in your Instagram applications. Okay, click the dark mode. Okay guys, and now our Instagram application are in dark mode. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.